In front of me is a General Mobile GM5+D, and I will show you how to enable unknown sources. So we'll need to start off by opening up the settings. You can either go through the app drawer, or you can pull down the notification and tap a little gear icon there. And from here, go to notification or apps and notifications, then advanced. And from here you have special app access, so tap on that. And on the bottom, install unknown apps. And here you get to choose from whatever apps you have installed that will allow you to download stuff. So basically Gmail and Chrome, probably the two primary ones. You can send the apps to yourself or download them from web. And when you're doing that, from here you can select to allow. And now you can download and install the apps from, well, once you download them using Chrome on your phone, you can actually install them now and overall download them. Otherwise, the phone will automatically block it from download. So yeah, you need to enable that. Also, if you're downloading it, it might automatically give you a pop-up to enable it if you wish to do it, and you can just tap on OK and it will redirect you right here, and you can do it again without actually going to the settings. You will just get dropped into there. So yeah. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.